To improve your gaming experience in PUBG, especially if you're dealing with high ping, follow these steps to optimize your connection. This guide will help you adjust settings and configurations to potentially reduce lag and enhance gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. Run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds, and consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online applications that could affect your connection. Step 3. Change server region. In the PUBG settings, navigate to the network settings and select a server region that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your overall ping. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag, especially if your hardware is struggling to keep up with the game. Step 5. Use a VPN. If you are still experiencing high ping, consider using a VPN service that offers optimized gaming servers. This can help route your connection through a more stable path to the game service, potentially reducing ping. By following these steps, you can work towards a smoother gaming experience in PUBG. Remember to regularly check your internet connection and settings for optimal performance.